Heading to Hanoi for the first time? In this video, we'll show you some easy but unforgettable highlights to help kickstart your trip. We stayed at the Sand Boutique Hotel, conveniently located near the lake in Hanoi's Old Quarter. The rooms were spacious and comfortable, and the hospitality was truly first class. Cara, the concierge, was incredibly warm and helpful. Like many locals here, she was genuinely interested in hearing our story and sharing hers.
We finally made it to Hanoi last night, so what did you think so far?
It's great.
How about that traffic? Like the cars and the motorcycles were going everywhere. I'm just so glad that our taxi driver knew what he was doing.
Thankfully, we're still alive today.
What else did we get up to last night?
Well, let me see. We tried some of the local cuisine.
Yeah, bun cha. Bun cha is a fairly popular Hanoi local dish. I believe it won a Michelin star. Can you believe that?
They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and in Hanoi, that means pho, pronounced pho. Before exploring the city, we're starting like the locals do. Next up, a quick walk brings us to one of Hanoi's most iconic landmarks, St. Joseph's Cathedral. On the way, we were stopped by a lovely lady selling Vietnamese donuts. Well, it would have been rude not to try one.
We're here at St. Joseph's Cathedral. The great thing about Hanoi is that everything is close by and within walking distance, which is fantastic at this time of year because it's very hot.
Built in the late 1800s, St. Joseph's Cathedral is a striking reminder of Hanoi's French colonial past and still an active place of worship today. Its neo-Gothic architecture stands in sharp contrast to the buzzing streets around it. Inside, it's peaceful and simple with tall stained glass windows and wooden pews, a quiet escape from the noise of the city outside. I have to confess, I wasn't expecting to see this kind of European-style cathedral right here in Hanoi. Feeling thirsty in this heat, we crossed the road to grab one of Hanoi's famous coconut iced coffees at the iconic Kong Cafe. Feeling hungry, it's time for lunch. We're off to the famous Banh Mi 25 to enjoy a delightfully crusty Vietnamese sandwich before exploring the lake. Time to walk off that coconut goodness with a stroll around Hanoi's famous Hoan Kiem Lake.
The lake is the centerpiece of the Hanoi Old Quarter. Lots of people do their exercise early in the morning. This time of the afternoon, everyone's having ice creams, coffees, drinks, socialising. There's actually a bit of a festival going on this weekend too, and we've been told they're actually going to close all the streets in the area, so that'll give us easier access to cross the street or running a risk of getting run over. We are going to head off, once we get around the other side of the lake, to the Note Cafe. It's a bit of a unique cafe. Can you tell me why?
It's because it's filled with lots of notes from everyone who's visited there.
So if you've ever seen those memes or funny emails with post-it notes all over the place, this is the real thing. Post-it notes everywhere, and we'll actually get a chance to write something on a post-it note too. So I was thinking maybe a Bible verse or something, an inspiring Bible verse, just plant a few seeds. What do you think?
Yeah, sounds good.
Located just a short walk from Hoan Kiem Lake, the Note Coffee is a unique 4-storey cafe in Hanoi's Old Quarter. Each level is covered with colourful sticky notes from visitors around the world, creating a lively and welcoming vibe. It's a great spot to relax, enjoy some Vietnamese coffee, and leave your own message. No visit to Hanoi is complete without checking out Train Street, where a train passes just inches from homes and cafes. The best times to go are late afternoon or early evening, when the trains roll through and you can grab a seat at one of the many trackside cafes to watch the action up close.
We're going to be literally inches away as the train rushes past us.
For the full experience, check out our separate video on this channel where we go into more detail about what it's like. As the train rolls past, life along the tracks quickly returns to normal. That must be our cue to go find some dinner and see what Hanoi's nightlife has to offer.
So the tropical rain is pouring down now. It kind of settled a bit, and so we went out for something to eat, banh mi, but it's pouring down again. So that's what life in Hanoi is like at this time of year. As for this banh mi, barbecue chicken, you taste the Vietnamese mint, the chili, and they've toasted the bread so it's nice and soft and crunchy. Delicious. We're having, I don't even know what it's called, but we've had it before on our food tour, the same place, and it's delicious.
Earlier we did an awesome food tour with Bao. You can check out that video on the Bites of Asia channel. I've left the link down in this video's description. As the day winds down, Hanoi's nightlife comes alive around the lake. With dances, and yes, even some unexpected artillery. What was your highlight? Any other places you'd like to see? Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining our whirlwind tour. Don't forget to check out our other videos.